Saju Thomas. Today I am going to take English grammar class. It is very essential class for you how to make the questions. See, question forming means how to make the questions. In English language, how to make question. हम लोग कैसे question बना सकता है? See, there are mainly three type of the questions. One, yes or no questions. Number two, W or H questions. Number three, tag questions. Yes or no questions. Today we are going to learn how to make yes or no questions. Before we are going to learn, first we study what is yes or no questions. See, I wrote here yes or no question. A question whose expected answer is either yes or no. Means, suppose we ask a question, the question answer will be yes, otherwise no. That is meant by the yes or no questions. For example, are you Raju? Are you Raju? What answer will get? Yes, I am Raju. No, I am not Raju. These questions, are you Raju? The questions, the answer is either yes or no. Are you Raju? एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछेगा, इसका आंसर yes नहीं तो no होगा. ये क्वेश्चन को yes or no question कहता है. These questions are called yes or no questions. Suppose, look at one another example. What is your name? What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? उसका आंसर yes or no नहीं है. That question answer is not yes or no. उसका क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या है? What is your name? My name is Kiran. My name is Raju. That goes to WH questions. But yes or no questions, if anybody will ask the questions, the answer must be yes, otherwise no. Are you sleeping? Yes, I am sleeping. No, I am not sleeping. Do you smoke? No, I do not smoke. Does he smoke? No, he doesn't smoke. Will you come tomorrow? Yes, I will come tomorrow. No, I will not come tomorrow. Have you had your lunch? Yes. Have you completed your work? Yes, I completed my work. No, I haven't completed my work. See, in the question, see a question whose expected answer is either yes or no. When we ask the question to someone or somebody, then the answer will be given yes or no. That's called the yes or no questions. It is very simple to understand. See, how can we make yes or no questions? Yes or no questions we make with auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are 24. See, that first I wrote here primary auxiliaries. The auxiliary verbs are 24. It divided into two parts, means primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Then I wrote primary auxiliaries here. See, primary auxiliaries be form, am, is, are, was, were. Do form, do, does, did. Have form, have, has, had. See, in am, in the auxiliary verb am, we use subject I. For example, I am going to market. I am Raju. I am an Indian. I am from Kerala. See? Then are, where, have, had, do, did. Use subject with I, we, you, they, any plural. For example, see, subject and going is verb. See, are you going to market? About answer what? Yes, they are going to market. No, they are not going to market. See, when we ask the questions, the answer will be given yes or no. That is called a yes or no questions. We already studied about here. See, are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. No, I am not a student. I am not a student. We can give the reply, are you a student? Yes, I am. No need, the rest of no need, but we can complete the sentence, yes, I am a student. The answer is complete, yes, I am. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Are you a student? No, I am not. I am not a student. I am a teacher. I am a doctor. See, the auxiliary verbs come in the first in beginning. Then we can make the questions yes or no questions. See, the auxiliary verbs here, am, is, are, was, were. The auxiliary verbs come in the beginning of the sentence. Then in this sentence turned the question sentence. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. No, I am not a student. Then, am I doing correct? I myself ask the questions. Am I doing correct? Yes, I am doing correct. Suppose we ask to others, am I doing correct? Then reply will come, yes, you are doing correct. No, you are not. Yes, I am doing, or yes, you are doing correct. Yes, I am doing correct. Is this Raju's pen? See, the auxiliary verbs come in the beginning of the sentence. Is this Raju's pen? Yes, this is Raju's pen. No, this is not Raju's pen. See, I wrote some sentence here. Look at the board. I do play. Then how can we make the questions? We make the questions in the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb you can place in the beginning of the sentence. Do I play? Then question mark. See, the do comes beginning of the sentence. That sentence turned to question sentence. Which question sentence? The yes or no question sentence. I explained here three types of the questions, mainly yes or no questions, WH questions and TAR questions. Now we are studying the yes or no questions. See, do I play or do you play? If the subject is plural, we can use the do. He does play. Does he play? The question. The auxiliary verbs placed in the beginning of the sentence, the question became the question sentence. Yes or no question. Last need a question mark. See, I have completed. I have completed what? I have completed my homework. I have completed my job. And anything. Then the question, which auxiliary is here? That auxiliary you can place it before beginning of the sentence. Have you finished? That question mark. Have you finished? Or have I finished? Have they finished? Then I completed. This sentence is written in the simple past. Then we can make the questions here in the simple past. Did you complete? Did you complete? Did you complete your homework? Did you complete your work? See, then in these ways we can make the questions, yes or no questions. Where we see the auxiliary verbs, then take the auxiliary verbs beginning of the sentence, the automatically the question will end. Then problem is that in this sentence, in these questions, if you ask the questions, the question will reply yes or no. Did you complete? Answer what? Can you tell me answer what? Did you complete? Yes, I completed. Have you finished? Yes, I have finished. No, I haven't finished. So question, the question answer, question will get yes or no. Answer. Does he play? Yes. He plays cricket. Otherwise, he does play. Do I play? See. Do you understand what I am saying? See, in this ways we can make the questions very simply. See, then how has harder in any sentence, which sentence you want to change the questions, that sentence you find out it which is auxiliary verbs. That auxiliary verb you take the auxiliary verb and you place it in the beginning of the sentence. That sentence automatically turn to the question sentence. See the model auxiliaries. Some model auxiliaries I wrote it here. Look at the board here. Will. He will come tomorrow. The auxiliary verb is will. He will come tomorrow. Take the auxiliary verbs and place it in the first, the beginning of the sentence, and will he come tomorrow? Then it yes. The answer what? Yes, he will come tomorrow. No, he won't come tomorrow or he will not come tomorrow. Then the questions, we ask the questions, the reply yes or no, that is called a yes or no question. Will he come tomorrow? Yes, he will come tomorrow. No, he will not come tomorrow. I shall do. Question, shall I do? Yes or no. They can speak English. Can they speak English? Yes, they can speak English. No, they cannot speak English. May. I may use your mobile phone. May I use your mobile phone? Of course, yes, you can. You may use my mobile phone. Might. She might come. Which is the auxiliary verb? Might. That might, place it in the beginning of the sentence. That question will turn that sentence will turn the question sentence. Might she come? She might come. Might she come? Then you should study well. Question, should I study well? Yes, you should study well. See, my dear students, these are the main rules of making the yes or no questions. Not more than that. Do not make any tensions because it is very simple. Very simple means which question, whatever the questions we ask to others, the questions asked to others, the reply must be yes or no. That is called the yes or no question. How can we make the yes or no questions? The use with auxiliary verbs. Which auxiliary is used in the sentence? Take that auxiliary in the place of the beginning of the sentence, and yet we need the question mark. It automatically change to the yes or no questions. I think that you got some ideas. If you like, you subscribe our channel to get new videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.